Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ESDDI LED Camera Camcorder Video Light Panel for lighting in studios or outdoor locations. I'm going to use this for my daily work and for my channel. Because sometimes it is a little bit too dark and my cam will do not handle the ISO value so right. Maybe now it will be better for you all out there and for me too, because this lightning set is adjustable from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. It is a variable color temperature device, ultra thin anodized aluminum housing for all DSLR cameras. And I do not have a camera, a DSLR. I will use this with my stands, with my tripods, for example. You have a dual power design. AC adapter or battery powered modus is 13 until 17 voltage DC input adapter. This is a power supply. Applicable battery is possible. NPF 55O, the NPF 75O, and the NPF 960. That means you can set up this light by yourself with the power supply you like. Because no, the DC adapter is not included. But if you have a cam or a setup for it, you will have this. If you encounter this, you can have fun with it. This is so nice. Two different things, dual power design. That means that you can use your smartphone power supply for it. Of course, you can use the battery, a battery mode for it, and of course a power bank. And you can use your Sony batteries for it too. This is so much different possibilities to get the energy in this awesome light, LED light, with adjustable color temperature and adjustable brightness level. Using the control switch, you can easily control the brightness up to 5000 lumen meters and the color temperature from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. That means 3000 Kelvin is a warm light and the 5000 Kelvin is a cold light, like blue. The 3000 Kelvin is about orange, and it will go up to the blue light. And the blue light range is to work with it, and the orange light is to chill with it. The product has built-in LED display. An LCD panel shows clear brightness and color temperature reading. Yeah. That lets you operate easily and work more efficiently. And I think it's a high quality thing. Premium lightning guide plate can soften the light and protect your eyes. The high power SMD can well display the color saturation and range so as to achieve high CRI. CRI is color rendering index. It is the CRI is up to 95%. The high quality aluminum alloy plate cover makes the LED photography light more durable. Exquisite execution. Oh yeah, sight vents for fast heat dissipation, easy to cool, baby. It is flexible and spreadness. A pocket-sized LED fill light being incredibly compact and lightweight, and it's powerful in the palm of your hand. It is an ideal choice for work and interview applications with a standard cold shoe mount. The light angle can be adjusted while mounting on a DSLR camera, a tripod, a bracket, or light stand, etc. In the kit is a PLV 380 light panel, a lithium-ion battery for Sony NP F550, a cold shoe adapter, a charger with micro USB charging cable, and of course a user manual. And only thing what you are going to need is, I think I will need a camera stand for it, a tripod for example, and that it is. And a nice pic will come to you. Yeah, oh yeah, the PLV 380. That is the light panel of your choice. For years, the ESDDI's Creed Shooters Pro Light Blank is never forgotten. In pursuit of pride, bringing professional photography as well as simplicity, the PLV 380 LED light panel was born. The B-color light panel provides from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin adjustable color temperature while preserving over 95 CII to reproduce every detail. It's bright enough and dim-able light fits perfectly for various situations from nature photography to portrait mode. Yeah, and everything is in there. The measuring is, the thickness is 21 centimeters and the weight is 226 gram. You have everything on board on this small but nice device. Wide dimming range from 10% to 99%. Adjustable color temperature from 3000 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin. This is how heat sink design on both sides dissipate that effectively even after long time using. It can be powered by the DC 13 volt under 70 volt input or an NPF 5055 battery. It's lightweight and mini-size, lightens your load when travel or working outdoor. Cold shoe adapter using 1/4 20 thread fits the most majority of photography gears. Direct color temperature adjustment, no need for installation. Extra color filters, it is all on board. Visual brightness and color temperature from LED display. 18 to 8 LED matrix produces powerful output and a special designs transparent filtered reduce harsh light. One piece aluminum back helps the light panel to stay cool for long last shooting. All adjustment and configuration is done on the back of the panel. Long press the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on or off. When the lights is on, short press the power button, the LED will display the remaining battery power percent. Press the M button to configure dimming or color temperature. When adjusting the dimming, the blue D indicator is on. When adjusting the color temperature, the orange C indicator is on. Then you can press the plus or the minus button to adjust the dimming or color temperature. Long press to adjust it quickly. Highly recommended to shoot in the morning or after sunset for its accurate color production. to bring the best customer using experience. This is an awesome thing. I will use it as customer because I do pics and movies every day, and it is nice. The specifications in CRI plus 95, dimming ranges 10% to 99. The work power is approx 15 watt power. The LED service life is around about 50,000 hours. The working time is 2 hours on full charge. The input is DC 15 voltage, DC plug dimension 5.5 millimeters to 2.1 millimeters with no adapter. If you would like to check it, you can press a button and you can see how much power your battery is in there. The compatibility of batteries are NP F55O, F75O, F96O. This is nice. Yeah, but there's no but. You have all in the box. Everything is nice. I will use it every day, and I have joy with it. Ooh, new dimension for my channel. Cool. Temperature adjustable. Wow. Brightness level adjustable. Wow. I love it now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.